Wow.
You can catch 2 fish at once?
Yes.
What?
I'm really good at
That's
it.
crazy. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here with my mom and we're going to be touring her pocket campsite. She's been playing continuously since the game came out a couple years ago, whereas I stopped a couple months after its release, so I'm excited to see how her campsite looks now. Okay, do you want to show me your campsite?
This is my campsite. This is my helper. I'll see what she has for me.
Wait, what does that do?
She will collect materials or catch bugs, fishing for me while I'm not playing.
Okay.
And I can pick any animals I like to be the helper. I can change them anytime.
What villagers do you have?
Well, here shows my villagers. New animals comes out once a while, like in a bunch. So I have them in here.
I have Hornsby too, but in New Horizons.
Oh.
And I like Gala.
Yeah,
so
I love
cute.
this little piggy. And this is my campsite. Recently I have this maze. This is a new event just passed, I think, last month. So I built this maze. This is a secret path, and then you can put anything in the maze.
You built the maze?
Yeah. Well, you do the activities, the event, participate in an event, and then they give you the pieces.
Oh, that's cool. I wish we had those arch, like a bush arch in the other game.
Yeah. And then this swing is from another event. Whatever the event they have, they will give out the furniture pieces. And also I have this.
The Sanrio.
Yes, this is how Kitty they joined.
Do you have to pay for those?
No.
Oh, really?
Oh, well, I pay with the bells I have. So I earn the bells. So I just pay them for that. I didn't actually pay money. I keep, collect the bells until I have enough.
They have Sanrio for New Horizons too, but you have to buy the card at Target.
Oh.
But it's not that expensive, but they keep selling out.
This tent, just two.
Oh, okay.
This tent. These 2 pieces, the furniture, originally it was a year ago, I only got the tent, but recently I have enough bells, but they happened to reissue the furniture again, so I was able to buy it.
Oh, they have Kuromi. They don't have that Sanrio character. Yeah, for New Horizons.
This is new.
Yeah.
And the animal right now doesn't have animal using it. An animal could just hold on to it. It will go up to the air. It's really cute. And I have this secret pass. And then here is a fountain.
Oh, that's cute.
And this is a staircase, hydrangea staircase from another event. I just put here. Originally, when I built the maze, this was castle.
Oh, okay.
And the animal could go up to the castle and wave to you. But this one, staircase, animal could be up there too. But right now, just nobody there.
Are the bushes items?
Which one?
The hydrangea bushes?
Yeah, those are the items I got from the hydrangea event. And here is my yoga studio. Oh, look
Oh,
at them.
nice.
If you watch, they will, you see, they will do
That's
yoga
cute.
poses, and all of these match. They will do it, and sometimes it has all of the animals around. It's really cute. And if you wait enough, it will do the whole day.
Mm-hmm. So you can place the items. Oh, nice. You can place the items in the front too. Like
yes,
the front of the campsite.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Now they increased. It wasn't originally, but now you can put everywhere. It's like even here. I have a pond. I have a bench here, the garden. And this pond actually is interesting, but right now there's no animals here. This pond, if as an animal can fly on top, it's just flying around with the wing.
With wings?
Yeah. Later, maybe if someone will get there. And here is my hydrangea garden. This hydrangea is just from the past event. It just finished last week.
Nice.
Yeah, it had two kinds of hydrangea, blue and the pink. I have a little cottage here. Let's go there, take a look. It has 2 stories.
Oh, Mitzi, that's my favorite villager.
This is the first floor of my little cottage.
Nice.
I have furnitures.
Oh wow, there's a scooter.
Yeah. These furnitures are from one of the events. And it has upstairs.
How come you can have so many villagers inside?
Oh, yeah.
How many do you have? Do you pick them or are they random?
No, you can pick.
Oh, okay.
The same.
Oh, nice.
8. And then go upstairs.
Oh, Chelsea's one of the Sanrio ones.
My second floor has some furnitures from those events that give out those they glow in the dark.
That's
I
cool.
just love them, and I put them all in upstairs.
That looks nice.
Yeah, those are potion, and those are
like a witch.
For the witch, right? And the fish tank. They're all from different events, but I put them together. And you could have animals come up here. See, it's a whistle.
Oh. Nice.
You see, everyone is here.
How many items do they have that are new a month?
Oh.
There's a new event every month?
Well, the event is one after another. So each one will take probably 10 days.
Mm.
So right now it's a fishing event. Oh, I want to show you the fishing event. Let's see if anything different. Oh, someone is up at the balloon.
Oh, nice.
You see?
Oh, nice.
And someone is at that big balloon. Hot air balloon.
Mm-hmm.
And someone there. Oh, someone is at the hydrangea staircase. It's just not facing me.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
I just love their pose. It's so elegant.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you my van. My van, I didn't take too much effort. Yeah, it's just
nice.
pretty basic. It has some of the kitchen items.
What's the name of the spotted set again?
Polka dot?
Okay, yeah.
Polka dot something. I think I expanded the van. You could see.
Yeah.
I expanded it. I haven't put any furniture there. And there is upstairs. I forgot if I have anything there. Oh yeah, I did.
Nice.
I have this crystal set here. This is the bedroom.
Nice. What's the fishing event?
Yeah, let's go see. This is the fishing event going on right now. Wow.
You can catch 2 fish at once?
Yes.
What?
I'm really good at it.
That's crazy.
I'm really good at it. See?
Nice. That's crazy.
You have to be really fast. If you wait for a split of second, you probably won't have to.
What do you do after you catch them?
You give it to that little guy. I forgot his name.
CJ?
Yes. And then you get an item from him or... Wow, this is different. This is a yellowfin tuna. It's bigger than the fish. Wow, I got a sushi buffet table.
Nice. Raymond.
Oh, you know
Yeah.
I don't remember their names. And then sometimes they will say, okay, this person, I need to give them furniture or something. Which one you will pick? And then I always say, who is that person? Because they say their name. I don't remember.
Okay, well, thank you for showing me your campsite. Maybe I'll play this game, but I probably won't. It's too much work.
It's fun. This is the only game I play, you know. And for years.
Yeah.
For so many years. How many years since it came out?
Yeah. Okay. Let me know what you think about these kinds of casual Let's Play type videos, and maybe I'll do some more with New Horizons. It was nice seeing the different items in a different game, and I recognized some of them from New Leaf and New Horizons, and also some completely new items to the game. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see my next video. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day.